I found the best video compressor in the whole world, and if you want to know what is this software, watch the video till the end. Using this software has two benefits. First of all, this software is totally free and you can use it until the end. And the second one is this software is a cross-platform software. You can use it on Windows, you can use it on Mac and Linux too. On any browser that you have, just search download HandBrake and open the original website, handbrake.fr. It means that this software, the URL of this software is on friends. So in here, I'm just going to download the Windows version, and I'm going to download the .exe installer. So I click on it. If you download the installer, just click on the file name. This is the installer of the HandBrake. I just double click on it, and I hit on the next, again next, and install HandBrake on my device. With this way, you can easily install it. If you want the desktop shortcut, enable this checkbox. If you don't like it, disable it. And I hit on the finish. Okay, working with this software is really easy. I just open it. Okay, I just open the software, and as you can see, it says you must install .NET Framework 8 version. So I hit on the download it now because I don't have it on my device, and it's going to automatically download it. Okay, I copy the link. To install .NET Framework version 8, I just double click on it and hit on the install. Easy. Working with HandBrake is really easy. I just need to drag and drop a video onto the HandBrake. So I just click some kind of videos in here and they're random and I don't know what's going on there. So let's start using this one. I just drag and drop it into the HandBrake software. So as you can see, it says please wait, and this software is scanning the video. So right now we'll see different things in here. Let me full screen this software to tell you more. The first thing that we need to know more about it is the preset. As you can see, by default it's set on fast 1080p series frame, but if you want you can change it, easily change it. I just click in here and change it into, I don't know, very fast 480, very fast 720p, and you can do a bunch of other things. So if you scroll, you'll see the web formats. Okay, creator 1080p 60 frame, 70p, 720p 60 frame. Okay, if you are going to use this file into web, as an example, if we're using it into a website, you can choose the web parts. Okay, web parts works better. And if we want to use it on Android, I don't know, you're going to share it into a platform that the Android users, iPhone users, I just say that the smartphone users are going to watch it. You can choose between them. So it has lots of other formats that I never use. Right now, I'm going to use very fast 1080p 30 frame. Okay, because the video that I recorded in here is 4K 30 frame. So I just use very fast 1080p 30 frame. In here, I don't change anything. Okay, but if you want to share this video into web, you can click on web optimize. With this way, the size of the video that you are going to compress it will be lower. So it's good for the persons that are going to upload their files into their own host. Most of them are the same. And in here, you can change the location that your result file is going to be saved. I just save it on the desktop. On the dimension, I usually don't change anything. On the filter, I just don't change anything. On the video, you can see the quality level. Okay, if you drag this one into here, you will receive a lower quality. If you boost it in here, you'll see place bow quality. So I just let it be in here, so the quality it will be lower. You can change the frame, and you can see the encode options. We did the things that we want into this folder. Okay, we just change the settings that we need. If we want to save these settings, in here click on save new preset and just type your name. As an example, I'm going to type my name. and hit Reza. This is my name. Reza is my name, and I hit on the 4K. Okay, just this, and I press on that. As you can see, I created a preset with my own name. So I just click on the preset that I created and use it. So I just did the things that I want into this video and I hit it add to queue. With this way, I can upload another video on this device. I just drag and drop it, not upload it. I select it and drag and drop another video into this software. As you can see, the aspect ratio of this video is different than the previous one. So if we want to have the export with this aspect ratio, just go to the dimension. In here, change the animal format into none. Just this. And hit on add queue. So I just go into the queue. I will see that I have two videos in the queue. So if I want, I can edit them and I can reset them and do a bunch of things. And when it's done, I hit on the start queue. So let's compress them. I'm going to stop the video because this software is going to use CPU to compress the videos. Okay, so I have to pause the video and show you the result. As you can see, the files that we have, as an example, this is the first one. This one is near 1 gigabyte, and after the compressed it, we have it on 100 megabytes. So that's too compressed. I just compared the raw file with the compressed file, and I understand that okay, this compression and reducing the quality of the video is quite good. Okay, so if we want to publish it into your website or maybe other social medias like Telegram or I don't know, even YouTube, the quality that is compressed is not a lot. Okay, but keep this in mind. As an example, I just record this video and I want to publish it on YouTube, right? So I need to spend much time for the compressed part. Okay, so as an example, I need to wait until an hour to compress the file and then publish it in YouTube. Okay, so instead of compressing that file, I'm just going to directly upload it. Okay, with this way, my PC is not going to be affected and your CPU is not going to be affected and become in 100%. Okay, so nothing affected and you have the best quality uploaded. Okay, this is the idea that I have. So, but if you want to publish it into your website, into your main host, us, both of them are the same. So you need to do this. If you want, you can watch this video too. On that one, I'm going to tell you the apps that you really need to install on your Windows operating system. See you at the next one.